अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं हूं इरा फैसल और आप देख रहे हैं एक्सपो न्यूज। आज की न्यूज रिपोर्ट आइए देखते हैं।
Hey guys, I'm Navish Jamil and you are watching Expo News. Today we are here in 3rd Pakistan Coating Show 2017. So let's go.
I'm Engineer Abdul Rahman, Director Administration and Operation from International Vacuum Center, Islamabad. This center provides total solutions for industry using vacuum technology. We change old and weird vacuum pumps into new ones by refurbishing. We design new vacuum systems. We carry out leakage detection in the existing vacuum systems used by industry. We calibrate vacuum gauges. We are suppliers of vacuum pumps, vacuum equipment and accessories and provide consultancy services to the industry. Our email is info@ibc.com.pk. My telephone number is 0333 5139 390.
कल ऐसे ही किसी नए इवेंट की न्यूज रिपोर्ट के साथ दोबारा हाजिर होंगे।